Well, hi everybody! I bet you never expected to see Isla and I all dressed up like this today, huh? Well, as most of my students know, my dad and Isla's granddad is from India. So today we're going to be doing a traditional Indian art called Rangoli. Now, Rangoli is something that is generally done with rice powders in front of any doorway in India to somebody's home or to their store or to a temple. And what Rangoli represents is good luck and prosperity for that location that it is decorated in front of. So our Rangolis are going to look a little something like this. Now, no two Rangolis are alike, just like snowflakes, and just like you guys, no two designs will ever be alike. What you're going to need is a dark colored piece of paper, black or a color, a dark color, purple, blue, anything like that. You're going to need a white crayon. A white crayon works best. If you don't have a white crayon, a piece of white chalk works very well. You're also going to want some colored chalk. Now we have kind of a nice set here, and if you are able to get a hold of some nice colored chalk, that would be great. And the other thing you're going to want are just some different circle shapes. Now, as you can see, I've got a masking tape roll here. I've got a roll of thread. I've even got a dime here that I'm going to trace around. So we are going to go to our desk, and Isla and I are going to show you how we draw and color our Rangoli art, and hopefully you guys can follow along. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, as Isla has her template placed there, we want to take our template and we want to place it right in front, right in the center of our piece of paper. And the biggest one is the one I'm going to do first. And so I'm going to trace around. Now Isla's doing hers a little bit differently, and that's okay. No two Rangolis are alike, as I had said. And so the tape works great because I can actually get an inner circle and an outer circle. And there we go. There's my first circle. My second, well, my first and my second circle. My third one is going to be my thread. And you guys could use a quarter or, gosh, the cap to a juice bottle, anything that you can think of. And I think maybe I'll do one more circle. Let's see, let me grab my dime over here. And I'll do one more little circle. Now I'm just kind of eyeballing the center. The thing with Rangolis, at least the ones that we are making, is we want them to be symmetrical. Now what does symmetrical mean? Symmetrical means equal and equidistant on every single side. So if you're going to put something up here, you want to put something down here. If you're going to put something over there, you're going to put something over there. So now that I've got my sort of bullseye going, I am just going to start putting some decorations into each of these lines. So the first thing I'm going to do is maybe do some little loop-de-loos all the way around, just using my lines as a guide. My second one, I think maybe I'll do triangles, and I'm gonna go around. And then my third circle up here, I think maybe I'll do something like a stripe and kind of go all the way around. So now we're gonna have some fun, and we are just going to speed up our film. So you guys don't have to sit here and watch the entire process, but it is kind of fun to do it yourself. Once we have this done, we're going to color it in with our chalk, and we're gonna be done with our Rangoli. So let's see how it works out. And we're back. All right. Do you guys want to see the pieces we finished? All right. And 1, 2, 3. There they are. All right. I hope you guys had a lot of fun doing this project. We're sending lots of blessings to you and your families as you guys are all holed up in the house right now. So I just want to give a shout out to some of the artists that emailed me their beautiful pieces this past week. Anytime you guys send me your pictures, I will try to give you a shout out on the next episode. So for today, shout outs go to Lily, Ellie, Jameson, Katrina, Ellen, Roland, Andy, Molly, and Ember. Thank you guys so much for watching and for sharing your beautiful artwork with me and with the world on my page. So again, you can always DM at Asha Murthy MacDonald Fine Art. And we hope to see you guys again in the next couple of days. We'll have a new project. So until then, namaste, friends.